assuming you feel comfortable with the 2 crossovers, both in same time and then split time, with the 2-beat split time that we were just doing. I would say the next thing is wrap up your right poi, put your right hand down, first practice under over home, and do like 10 repetitions of that. Or you're just practicing this subtle motion. I don't even think, I mean, I may be moving this, you know, half a foot, maybe 6 inches. Then the next step is putting your hand here, not all the way out here, just like casually close to your body. And if you need to, like if you have very big balls, you might need to put your balls down for a minute so that your balls don't get in the way until you get comfortable, so that you could do 10 of these in a row. If you can't do 10 of these in a row comfortably with the ball in your hand, so you may need to do it first like this, and then holding your ball, especially because I noticed your balls were so big. They were getting in your way, which means it's an added level of difficulty to go around the ball. And I do think that that's relevant. After you can do 10 of them without the poi in your hand, then 10 of them with the poi ball in your hand, the next step would be, now, not everybody feels comfortable with it shorter. I prefer to shorten it for this part. That's because I feel like if I do, I don't hit my hips as much. And this is where I have my left in over, my right in under, and then I cross my hands. Split time, top 1 home underneath, top 1 home underneath, top 1 home underneath, top 1 home underneath. And just 1 step at a time. And just keep doing it until it's in split time. This is in split time, yes. It's not this. This is a different move. I would call this like a half thread the needle side to side. Not like this would be a side to side thread the needle. Whereas this would be the weave.